2nd of March and it's 10 a.m. Let's discuss what we're gonna start or revise today, because I have given 10 days for my revision and not studied for my placement purposes. So yeah, let's talk about what I need to study. My first day is economics, as you know. Then what should I do? Let's think. I think what is left, let's focus on that first. In analog digital electronics, my digital is completed, but I need to revise it. And in analog, one module is remaining, and the fourth module, that is converter, then it is very easy topic and I can cover it anytime. One or 2 hours is sufficient for that. So I need to cover this first or revise two. And in computer organization, I completed two module, but I have to revise it because it is most significant topic of that subject, and that subject needs time too. So I have to give computer organization a time, although the computer organization has one day gap, so I will revise it there too, but I need to cover all the subjects before the exam, so that I can revise or make question at that time, not viewing the video and the one shot at that time. That's my plan. So maths I have completed, I revise it too, so I will make questions for in math. So my first is, I have to make questions in mathematics, and then in second I have to I have two things. Let's, what do you think? Give half time to analog digital and half time to digital analog will enough, if electronics will enough. So give time to digital and analog, and start what? Start completing of CO. My DSA is completed, so I need to revise it from the basics and from the question purposes. And also I have to revise merge sort, insertion sort, selection sort, because that is very important topic, and if I miss any single point, then my marks will cut. So I will not let it happen this time. So I have to revise DSA too. And fifth what? Economics. I have to start economics revision. So this day is for revision. And one thing, if I get time, then I will also complete what? I will also complete the making of notes and making the assignment of the C++ that I studied and code. I just code at that time, so I need to make the notes, proper notes, and to make the assignment that is given on that particular day. So if I get time, although I have enough time, I know I have enough time, I will complete it by today. So what? DSA placement assignments. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much. Just wake up, make routine, make the target, and achieve it. And if I fail, that doesn't matter, because this is not something that happen every day. Someday I will lose it, someday I can achieve it, but what happen is that I will study here. That matters the most. Let's talk after completing. It's 3:30 a.m. in the morning, and I completed five lecture notes of C++, and I also learned about, in my theory part, I also learned today IPD code, ASCII code, and gray code, binary code, conversion. So yeah, I do not study too much today because what? Because of some reasons. And yeah, but I completed 5 lecture notes, and from tomorrow when I woke up, I start DSA revision and what? And economics revision I will start. Let's talk tomorrow or after I wake up.